Our last data is to be list in dictionary. Let me give you an example. Go here, sorry, back to our app.py below the grades. So I'm going to create here the BMI records. Okay, so this will be a dictionary, but inside for each of the dictionary, it's going to be a list. So I put here the name, name of the participants here. For this one is Jack, and put here colon, and there will be a list of data. Okay, 150 for centimeters, the height, followed by the weight 60 kg, and comma the gender. This one is male. Right, so I'm going to have here pop in, and to be a list for Bob is going to be, it's higher from compared to Jack, 176 centimeter, and the height, the weight is 83 kilogram, and male, the gender, okay, here comma, and last one is going to be Jane. Oops, Jane, okay, Jane will be 153 centimeters and 54, which is lighter, and then female. All right, I think we just put here. Okay, I think this one should be good enough. Let me put it here. So we have here as BMI records for participants, which is we got 3 participants, Jack, Bob, and Jane, and it has a list of the info for each of the participant. Okay, which is the height, and then followed by the weight and the gender of the participant. Now we need to put, to enable this, put here BMI records, and then just simply do the same thing, assign this as a BMI records. So what we have here, switch to index.html. Okay, I'm going to copy this table, right? Tables, yank this, and then go down here. Then I'm going to paste another table for this one. Okay, we got the key, which is the name, and followed by the weight, the height, weight, and gender. So what we need to do is let the number, retain the number. Instead of subject, we put here name, name, and here we put height. Just copy here, and then weight and gender. Right. So here we going to change this. Okay, we're going to look inside the BMI records, right? So we need to put here BMI dot BMI underscore records. So in order to do this, I could use here the items. And for the previous one, I simply use key and value, right? So for this one, I can use whatever names. I would like to use other name from compared to the last one, key and value. So for BMI records, for I put here for name, and then details, right? Okay, let me get rid of this. So I clear this, put here name, and then for the details, we got the height, gender. Okay, wait. I think I missed one more thing. Yeah, wait. We got name, and then for the details, here we put here details, and for the list, it start with uh, 0, and then for, I mean 0 for the height, and then followed by the weight, which is 1 and 2. So I'm going to put here 0, right? 0, which is refer to the structure of here, I mean the weight and the height of the participants. And then I'm going to copy this. So change this to 1, and then change this to 2. All right. So this is how we're going to call the list inside the dictionary. So I'm already saved this. Now I'm going to refresh to see how it works. Token in got BMI records. Oh, let me see what went wrong. For name, details. Oh, I see, in. So that's the purpose of having to debug here. It display what it has here. In got BMI record. It's quite straightforward here, right? 916. Okay. The app.py. You see, this is, I think this is will be the error in template index.html. Details in. Okay. Again, we're going to refresh the button. Yes, there you are. So we already have here the number. It's starting from 1, the participants, and then the participant names is Jack, height, which is 150 centimeter, weight, and gender. Okay, guys. I think that's all for today. If you got any questions, you can leave, comment or any questions in the comment section below, and I will give you the link to the source code, and see you next time. Thanks for watching the video tutorial. If you like the video and haven't yet subscribed, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to Python Hat channel. By the way, if you have the means, you can support us and click the link given below, coffee.com/PythonHack, by buying or tip us coffee. See you soon. Again, thank you very much.